Did you know that we have 12 major meridian channels? Meridian channels are like energy pathways in our body. Just like highways, we don't want traffic jams on our meridian channels. We want energy to flow freely. For that, let's do exercise to open up our lung meridian channel. Let's do it. First of all, lung meridian channel begins from right below your collarbones and go down through your arms and go all the way down to your thumb. So keep that in your mind and let's do exercise together. Place your feet shoulder width apart and stretch your arm and stretch your fingers. Breathe in, all the way up, and slightly look at the ceiling, and breathe out. So easy. One more time, breathe in, up, stretch your arms and stretch your fingers. Feel your thumbs, and down. One more time, breathe in, all the way up, and let's bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. This is really good, especially if you slouch your back for a long time on a desk. One more time, breathe in, up, open your chest. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, return. Great job. Shake your hands and shake your wrist and shake your arms. Remember the lung meridian channel and feel that. Keep shaking your arms. Right, stop and feel your hands and intertwine your fingers behind your back and breathe in and move your hands away from your back and open your chest and look up. Return. One more time, breathe in. Feel your arms and open your chest and bring your chin up and down. One more time, up, breathe in as much as you can and down. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. One last time, breathe in all the way up, stay there. And return. Great job. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in deeply. Breathe in. Breathe out. How do you feel around your chest? Don't you feel refreshed? Next one. Remember, the lung meridian channel begins right below your collarbones. Here, we will tap it. Make a gentle fist and tap. Let's tap 50 times. I'll do the counting, so you focus on your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. How do you feel? Left and right. Don't you feel different? Alright, let's do the other one. Gentle fist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Alright, stop. Breathe in and breathe out. Alright, this time bring your hands up to your chest level and open and close. Open and close. Feel the lung meridian channel. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Stop and flip your hands over and let's do another 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you smiling? Keep smiling. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Alright. Breathe in and breathe out. Next one is the shoulder rolls. Breathe in, up and down. Up and down. We will do 20 times. 3. Breathe in. 4. Breathe out. 5. Breathe out. Breathe in. 6. Breathe out. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10 more. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 20. The other way. 1. Keep smiling. 2. 3. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1, 2, feel your shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Good job. Relax your shoulders. Now, the last one is breathing meditation. Breathe in. Now, the last one is breathing exercise. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Feel your lungs, feel your chest, feel your arms. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in deeply. And breathe out. And have your palms facing forward and feel your long meridian channels from here all the way down to your thumbs. Send your energy of love to your lungs. I love my lungs. How do you like it? Repeat this exercise as many times as you want. Thank you.